Oh, hungry still no man. Wonder if that chicken place still open. Get around I counter body foot. I wonder if she'll give me her number. Come on man, I have things to do now.
Why haven't you called me? I've been ringing off your phone all day. Why are you avoiding me?
Yo, can't start me now, Courtney, like really? You know nothing better for do. Leave me alone, man.
If you say so.
Blood clot mad girl, man. Everywhere me go, she dey behind me. She don't know when somebody left for her ass. So man. Every freaking minute the girl follow me. Everywhere me go. I get tired of her, man. Yo, wait, don't wait me across the street, Come to them blood clot people here, man. Them all lick you down, you're not going away. All gone sexy. Yeah. Boom, chicky boom, in our mother, boom, boom.
I thought you said you loved me, Howard. Why are you avoiding me? Why?
Bumbuckle, no, I must teleport. This mad girl. No, sir, what the hell me get myself in? I'm just avoid her. Bumbo, man. I wonder if that chicken place is still open, man. Might I know it's a fucking McDonald's or something. I wonder if I forgot a strip club before I get something to eat. I'm not got no money left. Ugh! What the bomber clot do you, girl? I kill you, try kill me. I put it that mad blood clot guy, man. I want to you. Help! Somebody help me! She try kill me! Help! Help me! Oh my god! I'm gonna send go this so she can find me. Humbo. You move to the window, dog. Rest a little bit now, man. Fucking mad girl, that man. Oh, what a bomber. No, this can't real. Oh, what a bomber. Huh? What did I say there? Somebody help! Help! Oh, let me in! Somebody help me! Please! She try to kill me! Help! Yo, sir! Yo, come on to that clear, man! Can't believe I left Jamaica for this raw madness. Boom! Oh shit! Sorry! I'm tell you what them mad girl I know one time, not the girl, you know. I should have gone already. Blood clot.